The next tab that we'll be talking about is the Design tab, which is the third tab at the top. So let's go ahead and look into it real quick. So this here shows how the slide will look in the presentation. So the cool feature about Slide Bean is that if you have the information Slide Bean, in Slide Bean you can enter it into however you'd like to, and then it kind of gives a template that it will insert the information into. So you have the heading, it automatically inserts it into the document for you. Same with the quote and the footer, it also inserts in there for you. So let's go ahead and take a look at the options. So if you click on any of the text individually, you can realign or resize it. So here we're resizing the text sunset over beach, and then you can align left, middle, or right, and you can reset it to how it was. Same with any other text, you can have the text size, you can reset the position. Same with the footer. And then if you look down here, you see the slide options. So this does the slide overall as a whole. So you can edit the text size for every text box in the slide. And if you have a background image in, you can dim it. You can crop it. And you can have a color set to the text. And that's the features of the slide itself. So if you look over here to the left, you have the styles and the colors and the text boxes. So if you look up here, this is what is known as a formula or a template, other words known as. So if you click bold, it just gives you a template to go off of. It gives you the style that the bold uses. It gives you colors, headings of font, and text font. So you can use these as just to go off of. So if you wanted just a classic style, a classic set, then you can choose the classic. It gives you Scale Up, Indigo, Free, and Utopia. Or if you wanted to, you could just mess around with it. You can create your own. So let's say you wanted to do a 5 o'clock, which just gives a shadow behind the text. Let's say I wanted to do the Phoenix colors with Futura and that text. And then you can save it as your own. And let's name it Sunset. You can save it. And you go down here, and then you have your formula Sunset. So Slide Bean in the Design tab just allows you to have freedom. I would say you can also move the text boxes to wherever you like. If you have a logo or have a watercolor, a watermark, then you can upload it to the design. And if you look at the design review, you can actually submit a review to the to Slide Bean to say, hey, this needs to be updated or this needs to be changed, which I think is a cool feedback feature as well.